Well, hey everyone, Dave Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Shoot a quick video of some updated status on a charity event we're doing for a church. So here's a good example of the before that we were working with. And here's some of the progression. This part we can't actually do because we need scaffolding. We can't reach with our ladders from there all the way up. So this is one of those things that'll wait, but you can kind of see where we painted from here down. Some of the repairs that were made on this wall with the cracks. And again, using VersaPlast, it's an acrylic base plaster, so it really reacts well to regular plaster, and it won't have these places that are still cracking. That'll go away. Because this stuff actually, since it's acrylic, it actually flexes, moves, bonds, so it's pretty cool. But there's some of the befores. You can kind of see some of the stuff that we were fixing and repairing. And then this other side is the bell tower. So you can kind of see, we haven't tackled that thing yet. But here's the rest of the bell tower. So compared to the color that's here, these are the new colors. That's gonna be the church. And then time-wise, ran out of time with the repairs, so we'll come back and do the trim around the windows because we just didn't have time. But you can kind of see nice, bright, clean, easy. And then we worked our way down the stairs, painted the trim white versus that brown. So definitely has a lot more pop than it did before. So if you had questions about old churches, buildings, plasters that maybe we can help with, brightening up a building for you, let us know how we can help. Might be able to qualify for one of our next Paint It Forward charity events. Look forward to seeing how we can help you. Love the space you're in.